Sophia.
Huh? A big kid.
Sophia, come with mommy.
Yeah. 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 Whoa. 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 Whoa.
You still remember how to do it?
It wasn't that long
It wasn't
ago.
that long ago.
We never forget.
This is fun for a...
That's like riding a bike.
The question is, do I still remember?
She does.
That was a long time ago.
She does.
That was like ages ago.
Not ages. A few days ago.
I look good for 57.
Everything's starting to hurt now.
Not me. I feel better than ever.
Ha ha ha.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh my God, I can't stop. You gotta help me stop.
Ha 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 ha. That's so easy.
Forgotten. Break with your feet.
I don't know how to brake.
Yeah, you don't.
There are no brakes. You have your legs, your feet to stop.
I once went backwards with my head downwards.
Oh my God.
On the sand. Oh God. We had swings on the beach.
That was fun, right, Carter?
Everybody trying to go on the swing, fighting. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. Oh my God. Jumping.
Sophia.
We
Yeah.
were swinging in full speed. We would jump. Yeah, that's what I used to do. I was planning to do that, but I'm like, I'm getting too old for this.
So little man, what you want now?
Look at his feet now.
Huh?
That's the end.